Right, here we have a Honda HRX426 mower on an easy start. Seems to be in nice condition. Ready to go, works fully, plenty of power, drives fantastic. What else? It needs an oil. No, it doesn't need an oil change, but I'll do an oil change anyway. What else is there? Yep, blades sharpened. It's ready to go. Okay, if you want to hear it, what you have to do is turn this down to choke on, and I think there's fuel in it. Yeah. I'm sorry, but the grass is cut right down, so I won't be able to show you cutting the grass, but trust me, it is blades are fully sharpened and working. Everything's fine on it. Right, turn the choke off. Yeah, adjust the speed, whatever you want. Okay. Yeah. Press this lever down, press it down and then forward. Yeah. You can see that it's trying to, well, the blades are turning. Yeah. Okay. Pull this back lever, need 3 hands. Pull this back lever forward, whoa, off it goes. Let go of it, you can walk away and it carries on running. Blades stop automatically, got a clutch in it. Fantastic little mower. Whoever sees it will buy it, I think. First one to see it, yeah. Let me know what you think, you know. Honda HRX426.